63 today. I'm in a good mood. I think the kitties are in a good mood too. Everybody's here waiting on me. Hi, Tux. There you go, buddy. There you go. Got fresh chicken. Good morning, Morris. Good morning. Hi. Hello. Marty. Hi, Mart. Come on. I'm going to set some food over here, too. Oh, that's always pretty with the shadows of the trees in the early morning sunlight. We're going to try to get out of here in the next 20 minutes. Go do our workout in the gym. He's got an 11 a.m. conference call, so I'm sort of on a mission to get her done this morning. What mornings am I not on that mission though, right? Just look at that beautiful sky this morning. Now, we're not going to start being inside every day and not out walking in the sunlight, but 2 to 3 days a week on the days it makes sense for us. But that is just gorgeous. Stripe and I did do a quick walk around the house. He seemed to really need it, so I was picking up twigs out of the yard, the grass over here. Not stuff you could necessarily see from up here, but I got to get prepped because you know that first mow of the year, it's coming and it's coming soon. Good morning, Gray. I see you ate all the fresh chicken from yesterday afternoon and then a little bit more that you begged for at midnight. Good girl. Good girl. We're here. It's Monday morning. It's only a little after 9:30. There's a lot of cars, but we think they're playing pickleball or doing something in one of the meeting rooms. Well, we'll find out if Monday mornings are bad or not. A few people in the gym is fine. Having to wait on equipment would be, we choose to come at a different time. Donna's over there. The max number of people we've had in here is 6 this morning. Totally workable. I'm back on for my second 15 minutes and then we got to scoot. Don helped me. It's a little hard on him because he's got to help me. So I'm giving him some time to focus on what he needs to focus on. We did do the Amazon balance ball thing again. I like that. That's fun. Getting ready to start making... Can you guess? This will give it away. Lasagna. There it is. The plan is for me and Dawn to eat as much as we want today. And then when Johnny's home Friday for dinner, when we come in from the road, we'll have a meal ready to go. Just 30 minutes in the oven to heat it up and it'll be golden. Besides, it's better the second day anyway. We're walking to get the mail because we don't have enough steps today.
That's right. Silly, I got cheated. I only got 4,800 steps.
Yeah, I got over 6,000, 7,000, but I'm an overachiever.
Yeah, so the elliptical thing must not give you no steps.
Right, well, I'll say that, yeah, we're going to be a little low on overall steps on the day that we go to, into the exercise room if we don't double work ourselves to walk on top of. Anyway, my Legos are in the mailbox, and before I let Don go back to work, we're going to the mailbox. But come on, Donnie. Little Donnie, keep up. Come on. I was telling Don about the... Come on, little Donnie, keep up. I was telling Don about some person tried to make Elon look bad after he left the stage with little X yesterday, saying Elon... he left his son behind, and it wasn't true. And Elon's turned around twice to give little X a chance to catch up and cheered him on. But my father was 6'3", and when I was little X's age, Irv, he walked, and you were expected to keep up, and he'd never leave you behind. And my dad loved me, but you know, big guys, tall guys, they walk fast. And so my whole life, guess what? Even at 5'7", I leave, well, when I'm healthy and feeling well, I leave everybody in my wake, right?
That's right. She dusts me.
I dust my boys. I expected my boys to keep up. It's just the way I was raised. You learn to keep up with your long, tall-legged father. You walk fast. Anyway, there were plenty of people on X that set that guy straight. If you're gonna shoot out your mouth, you should make sure you're accurate in what you're saying or you will be set straight. I think there could be 2 Lego packets. Is that one Legos too? There's a box of, no?
I think this is something else.
Okay, but there is the boxes.
Not for me.
The box is from EMS Bricks though, the local people in Wilson that I buy from if at all possible, if they have what I need. If you walk to the mailbox, you're gonna have followers. Dawn might not be thrilled about going to the mailbox, but the mom fan parade is plenty happy. Hey, Marty! Ducks! Hi, buddy! Hi! Hi! Good boy. So, Mama, I just tried to come with you. I put on the tiles that came, which allowed me under the stairs. I have more coming. I don't have them today. This seemed to make the most sense, and I'm going to work on it for a while. More tiles coming. I need them now, but I have to try to be patient, kind of like with the bamboo 3D printer filament. Patience is key. Wow, it's 8. I got carried away. I guess I just couldn't stop. So I put a window in the bathroom because it just looks better from the outside. And that's what I decided I wanted to do. So there's more windows. I pulled off the rest of this stuff because I already told you guys I'm going to redo it somehow, some way. More flowers on the inside in the lobby. I didn't like what they had. I see this one fell over. It will be more stationary. It's no big deal after I finish putting the tiles in. And on the front here, you know, working on the window trimmings, dressings here. So I got the stairs finished. It's coming along good. It's all good. I got a couple pieces of artwork to do on the walls here and here. It is an art school after all. So that might be where I pick up tomorrow.